Okay guys, this is exactly 12 o'clock. We know we look like crap, but you guys may not think this is funny, but we think this is the funniest thing in the world. We're gonna show you our cousin. We're gonna show you our cousin's story. You may not be able to see her, but we'll show you. The end.